Hello techies, my name is Miguelina Betty, aka Catwoman from Tech Valor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your Chrome tab from this to this. So stay tuned for the tutorial. Whenever I do a live video broadcast of the Gadget Chats podcast, I share my Chrome browser to showcase the various topics we discuss. Yeah, it's a lot of tabs, and here is a tip to reduce the clutter. Once I open all of the tabs I need, I right-click on a Chrome tab and click on Add Tab to a new group. I choose a color to highlight and assign it a name. I right-click on another Chrome tab, hover over Add Tab to Group, and choose the group I just created. I do all that to the tabs I want to be in this group. Then, I click and hold on the group I created and drag it to where I want it to be placed in the Chrome browser. I repeat the same process and create more Chrome group tabs. I reveal and hide tabs by clicking on the Group tab. I can also reorder the tabs within the Group tab. I can remove a tab out of the group by right-clicking on the tab and choosing Remove from Group. I was disappointed to see that if I pin a tab, it cannot be added to a group. The cool thing though is that you can move a tab in and out of other groups. I can right-click on a group and click on Close Group to delete tabs, and also right-click on a group and choose Ungroup to remove a group Chrome tab. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Give it a like if it worked for you. If it didn't work for you, leave a comment down below and I'll try to help you out. Go ahead and share this with someone who it might benefit. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye!